Hey guys, Justin from Double J's back tonight. We have a double 2015-16 Upper Deck Series 2 hobby box break. So it's a little late. I've been waiting for payments, but they're all here. So let's get started. Last teams ended Winnipeg Jets as usual, and it ended on February 25th, 9:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 1:04 a.m. on the 26th. Here's our two serial numbers there. 2504 5715. So let's get that. There you go. 5715. And 2504. Well, there you go, guys. So they are both sealed hobby boxes. Series 2. So without further ado, let's get started. Just show you that once more. There you go. So raise this up a little bit. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck, everyone. First box. Go. Box is empty. There's your packs. The other packs. So there we go. Let's do it. First pack. Base. 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 And base. O-Pee-Chee. Base. 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 And base. 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 And our first Young Guns, Devin Shore for the Dallas Stars. There we go. Dallas Stars on the board. Base, base, and base. Base, 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 and for the Ottawa Senators, a O-Pee-Chee marquee rookie, Matt O'Connor. Base, 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 and base. Next pack, guys. Base, 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 and O-Pee-Chee rookie card of Dylan DeMello for the Sharks. Base and base. 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 And again, another Young Guns for the Stars, Radek Faska. So 2 stars, base, base, and base. Next pack, base, 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 and our first canvas for the Nashville Predators, Roman Josi. And base, 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 and base. Next pack. These are ripping so weird today. Next pack, base, 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 and again for the, oh no, not again, for the Sharks, Jonas Donskoi, rookie Upper Deck Portraits. They're the San Jose Sharks. Base, 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 and base. So you can't speed things up here. It's going to be a long break. I don't want to bore you guys to death. Base, 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 and O-Pee-Chee rookie, Nicholas Petan for the Winnipeg Jets. Base, 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 and base. Next pack, base, 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 and Upper Deck Portraits for the Winnipeg Jets, rookie Nicholas Petan. 2 in a row for the Winnipeg Jets, base, base, and base. Next pack, base, 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 and for the Carolina Hurricanes, Young Guns, Brett Pesce. Base, base, and base. Next pack, base, 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 and Upper Deck canvas for the Buffalo Sabres, Ryan O'Reilly. It's a pretty nice card. Base, base, and base. Next pack, base, 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 and for the Montreal Canadiens, Young Guns, Mike McCarron. There we go. Montreal's on the board. Base, base, and base. These base cards out here for. Alright, next half of box number 1. Base, 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 and O-Pee-Chee marquee rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes, Noah Hanifin. Base, 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 and base. Next pack, base, 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 and a O-Pee-Chee marquee rookie for the Colorado Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen. base, 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 and base. Next pack, base, 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 and O-Pee-Chee rookie for the Boston Bruins, Colin Miller. Base, 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 and base. Next pack, base, 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 and our first patch here looks like a rookie materials for the LA Kings, Jordan Weal. And it is not numbered. I don't think any of these are numbered. There you go. Base and base. Next pack. Base, 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 and for the Florida Panthers, Young Guns, Logan Shaw. Base, base, and base. Next pack. Base, 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 and for the Edmonton Oilers, Upper Deck Canvas, Teddy Purcell. There we go. Base, 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 and base. Next pack. Base, 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 and a O-Pee-Chee rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Linus Ullmark. Base, 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 and base. Next pack. Base, 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 and Upper Deck Portraits rookies for the Nashville Predators, Victor Arvidsson. Base, base, and base. These packs, either they disintegrate into a million pieces, or they don't open at all. Alright, there we go. Next pack. Base, 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 and it's just their O-Pee-Chee base card. Base, 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 and base. Next pack. Base, 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 and for the Chicago Blackhawks, Young Guns canvas of Ryan Hartman. Base, base, and base. Next pack. Base, 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 and for the Minnesota Wild, Young Guns, Michael Kernan. And a base, base, and base. Last card of box number 1, or last pack of box number 1. Base, 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 and Upper Deck Portraits for the New York Islanders. Rookies Jean-Francois Berube. Base, 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 and base. Clear some of these bases out of here, and we'll get on to the next box. Alright, there it is. $25.04. There we go. That was kind of a dull box, so hopefully this one will be a little bit better. There we go, empty box. Alright guys, let's get into it. Good luck everybody. Box number 2. First pack, base, 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 and O-Pee-Chee Marquee rookie, Jake Virtanen for the Vancouver Canucks. Base, 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 and base. Next pack, base, 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 and for the Dallas Stars, again, Young Guns, Radek Vaska. So, 2 of those coming. Base, base, and base. Hope he's not the next Jacob De La Rose. That guy. They made so many cards of him. Even if he was good, they probably wouldn't be worth anything. Next pack. Base, 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 and an O-Pee-Chee Marquee rookie, Connor Hellebuyck for the Winnipeg Jets. Base, 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 and base. So needs a little help. Maybe that means something good inside. Okay. Base, 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 and for the Dallas Stars, game jersey for Jason Spezza. Base and a base. Next pack. Base, 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 and up deck base checklist. And there it is. Buffalo Sabres Young Guns, Jack Eichel. Nice. Awesome. So if the Sabres wants tracking on there, just let me know. Give you some tracking for you. Awesome. First Jack of the bunch. Next pack. Oh, come on. The Sabres went higher than the Oilers, so in this particular draft, so paid off. Base, 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 and Toronto Maple Leafs Upper Deck canvas for Tyler Bozak. Base, and another base checklist, base and base. Base, 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 and for the Pittsburgh Penguins, O-Pee-Chee Marquee Rookie for Daniel Sprong. Base, 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 and base. Next pack. Base, 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 and for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Upper Deck Young Guns, Joel Verman. And base, base, and base. Pack, base, 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 and Upper Deck Canvas, New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. And base, base, and base. Next pack, base, 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 and for the New Jersey Devils, Raymond Heberenka Young Guns. Base, base, and base. These packs are incredible. Next pack, base, 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 and Upper Deck Portraits for the Phoenix Coyotes, Henrik Samuelsson. Base, 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 and base. Back, base, 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 and a Mikko Rantanen rookie, O-Pee-Chee, Colorado Avalanche. Base, 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 and base. And last stack, guys. Base, 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 and marquee rookies, O-Pee-Chee for Noah Hanifin for the Carolina Hurricanes. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 O-Pee-Chee base, 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 and base. Base, 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 and for the Ottawa Senators, Upper Deck Portrait rookie, Matt O'Connor. Base, base, and base. Base, 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 and for the LA Kings, O-Pee-Chee rookie, Jordan Wheel. Base, base, and base. base, 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 and for the Chicago Blackhawks, Young Guns, Vincent Hinostroza. Base, base, and base. Base, 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 and for the Calgary Flames, Upper Deck Canvas, Michael Frolik. Base, 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 and base. Next pack, base, 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 and marquee rookie, Vincent Hinostroza, Chicago Blackhawks. Base, 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 and base. Next pack, base, 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 and for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Upper Deck Portraits rookies, Josh Anderson. I feel like we've hit every team so far. I think maybe the Ducks. Ducks haven't hit yet. Other than that, pretty close. Maybe the Bruins. Base, base, base. Dallas Stars, marquee rookie, Radek Vaska. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 and Upper Deck Canvas, Carolina Hurricanes, Victor Rask. Base, base, and base. 2 packs left, guys. Base, 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 and Devin Shore, Young Guns, Dallas Stars. Base, base, and base. Last pack, guys. Just a reminder, we do have Black Diamond going on for tomorrow night. It's 2013-14. And we have Artifacts going out for Saturday. And then we'll have some more Upper Deck Series 2. We have some Series 1 Blaster Box still. And here we go. Good luck. Thanks for taking part in the break, guys. Hope you had fun. And Upper Deck Portraits rookies for the LA Kings, Jordan Wheel. Nice to hit a jack. Base, 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 and base. So, thanks again, guys. Again, if Buffalo Sabres want to get added shipping, just let me know. And we'll see you guys again soon. Thanks.